Right, here we got a Toro recycler, 53 centimeters. Okay, nice clean condition. Got a bag with it. As you can see, it's nice and clean. And I don't know if they've got any fuel in it or not. And I need 3 hands here to hold the camera, hold this lever, and pull this, I think. Nice easy start. This one, if you pull this one up, it starts moving. Yeah. Yeah. Starts fine, works fine. Got a grass bag with it. I'll put it in the pictures. Okay, let me know what you think.